Alright, y'all. Yeah, we back. My fault. I had yeah, y'all. I don't know, the thing had cut out. So, but yeah, we just giving y'all a little POV drive while we head to a meet. So you know, yeah. All while doing this, I'm on Clearview Express Bell Boulevard. I know I ain't gonna lie, nobody better not be on my ass about my car not being washed. I know my car has been sitting. My car has been, oh my God, I hate coming over this area, baby. Sorry, baby.
No, shit, dang.
Damn. So, yeah, we should, as y'all can see, we should be there in no time soon. We should be there in no time. And I know that they meets don't be over no time soon until.
Unless somebody who's like that.
Exactly, my point, exactly.
I'll go right back home.
Yeah, cause I ain't far from home.
What happened, bitch?
Who?
Oh, I'm so sorry. It's always your Acura moments. Always.
Wait, what the Acura do now?
I guess the lady was trying to ding. You almost hit the damn car, bro. And then looking like if it was your fault.
That's dumbass people. I don't know who that was with the white Beamer. Bless you. Nah, that was a newer type of Beamer. So at least if we not that far, all we gotta do is take the we not that far from the crib. But now, see if we was still living downtown Brooklyn, then bless you, baby. See if we was still living downtown Brooklyn now.
That's how
Yo, y'all say y'all wanted more vids. Let me know if y'all want more vids. I could get y'all more vids. I just moved, so everything is gonna get up, running, busy, just like that. But yeah, we 3 minutes away. All we gotta do is go down. I know it's cold outside for you to be walking like that. Nah.
You got long hands. Can you pass the ashtray?
Yeah. Sorry, baby. Like, nigga, I know you cold. Like, what the fuck? Do you see this, babe? Oh, sorry, babe. Like, I know that people be cold. I know that people be cold. And
We in front of Porsche now?
yeah. I ain't gonna lie, both of the shits that I had saw, they both look like don't tell me the Porsche is going to the meet, you bitch ass nigga. Like, why do people be so scared sometimes just to go to a?
They got you, baby.
Who that? Let me see. Go over. Oh, it's whoever is behind us. Oh yeah, they active over there. Y'all see. Oh. Oh, it's mad cars rolling in. I'm about to go right here for a minute. My God, I'm about to just I don't give a fuck.
That color.
Hey, where like
That's like
y'all got the over there. That fucking sun is beaming in my eyeball. Whoa. Whoa.
oh, and she for here.
Oh, no, drinks, nutcrackers, nutcrackers. The nigga got the head out.
You wanna come out and look?
After I can smoke.
Now come walk and smoke.
Oh, it's too cold for me to be walking and smoking.
Alright, so Bonnie and I'm have to go walk around.
Good.
Let's go with you. You gonna turn it off or you good?
I'm just trying to go.
Ready?
Well, love it. What's
OT.
up, love?
Blessings, bro. Of course, always. Nah, y'all see what's going on out here. Y'all see what's going the fuck on out here. Y'all see what's going on out here. Y'all see what the fuck going on out here. Yes. I'ma walk around and show y'all what y'all see what's going on around here. I don't know what the hell. I don't know what they got going on. What up, yo? Y'all see this? G30 tough. Whoever shit is this, that's tough. Chiller, right? Yeah.
Holy Patrols and Tribulation,
Alright.
big fat rims,
Yeah.
fat M5 fenders,
Yeah.
custom bumper type hood.
Not you. Alright, bless up. You know, you don't know. You don't. Manners, bro. Code, you know. Alright, bless up, me done, bro. Right. Yeah, y'all. I'm getting y'all mad content. Tired? Who this? Oh shit, that should be tough. Shit. Oh, let me go over this way. It's kind of... Yeah, y'all, I'm just giving y'all a little rundown. What the fuck did I just step in? What the fuck I just stepped in? Just so on a can go and I see where I'm going. Run that again. Bless up. Alright, that is it. Blessings, me then. Blessings, me then. Yeah, y'all see what's going on. I'm just giving y'all a look. Yo, oh shit, what up?
Hey, look, you lagging, nigga. I see you.
Crazy, what up,
You
my
ain't
boy?
even see me.
I ain't even know. I had it back up and running. Yo, I don't even live in BK no more. I'm in the Bronx. I'm over there on 170. I got you. I'ma definitely hit you up. Oh, y'all see that? That bit tough. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, let me hear some, yo. Uh-huh. We'll let him. It's not much of one. Bless up. Oh, y'all see this? Oh, y'all see this? That bit tough though. Y'all can't even lie. But it's not like these all these is like stock ass little cars. Oh, that's crazy. Why that? Where am I? Oh, y'all see this y'all see the Acuras? Oh, my boy Maxie with the fire paint color. Y'all see his shit. Alright, that is it. Where the fuck?
Right now and talk like grown men. I'm here right now. We knew each other for over 4 or 5 years. This is not the first situation.
Yo, buddy, walk on.
We can go to
Buddy.
7-Eleven. We can leave this shit, get it on, and go about our day. Like, what the fuck you talking about?
Buddy, walk on. You good, bro?
What the fuck you talking about?
What happened? What the fuck? Maria, walk on. Goodie? Oh yeah. Oh, my bad. Y'all see what's going on out here?
Yo, I sell drinks, man.
I got you.
I got nutcrackers.
How much?
They all 15. I got Henny Colada, Henny Passion. Mango tequila.
I got you. Yo, tap in with bro. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Yeah. Show them what you got, yo.
I got Henny Passion, Henny Colada, Fruit Punch with vodka, Mango Tequila, Blue Hawaiian,
Alright.
Green Hawaiian, Cranberry Vodka, Tequila Sunrise.
Alright.
Couple things.
I got you. I got you, most definitely. I'ma hit you though. Already some blood clot que le gano. Digas. That's too much. That's too much copyright over there, though. But y'all see what's going on, though. Oh. Y'all see what's going on. Oh, that be. Y'all already know what's going on. Tap bar. You got Shifa. Alright, you got Shifa, but yo, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a good minute. I ain't gonna lie.